Hello and welcome to all our viewers. You're watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyer with the best in the industry. I'm Naveen Mahalingam, host for the day, and today we are joined by expert panelists from the very esteemed SPR group. I would like to introduce Mr. Pujit. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's my pleasure, actually.
From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Venkatesh. Thanks for joining, Venkatesh.
Thank you, Naveen.
Today, project in focus is SPR City. And now I may request the panelists to go ahead and give a brief introduction about the company they're representing. Over to you, Mr. Pujit.
Sure, sir. Hello, team. Actually, SPR City is basically originated from 1976 itself. But before we were into trading, actually in the basic costings. And after that, from 2004, we started to real estate development, actually. Before that, we had done 3 different projects. Actually, we started in a small scale property first. In the terms of general development, then we went to move to a bigger project for gated community. Then now we are developing the largest township, integrated township in the entire Chennai city, actually. This is about a brief about our company, basically.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Mr. Venkatesh, please introduce the company that you're representing.
So PropTiger is the Indian largest real estate advisor firm. We have served more than 25,000 people around and without brokerage charges.
Well, so before we move on, let me show you how SPR City property looks like. So can we have a video, please? Well, thank you so much. Pujit, how Perambur Bini Mills as a location for end use and investment, and what makes our SPR City a perfect place to invest in? Would you like to answer this?
Yeah, actually, if you're looking at Perambur, if you can say it's almost it's a development property only. For example, these days there are many builders who are looking to develop the integrated city inside a city itself, basically, because a township inside a city is not a possible thing. And if you're looking at the entire Chennai part, also, it's not a feasible thing inside Chennai, because most of the developers are doing the townships or any gated community outside Chennai only, not in an inner perspective of Chennai. But when you come to a part of the heart of the city and do a project like this, like in the term of integrated township, where you get all kind of facilities which will be benefiting the traders as well and the investor point of view and the residential purpose also, it's one of the great things we are doing in Perbur actually. So coming to the part where we want to develop the properties actually. So Perbur is, you can say, it will be one of the costliest area in the future. Like in these days, Ananagar is one of the costliest area regarding the residential purpose. So we can say this will be almost the next Ananagar.
Okay, great, great. So moving on, I would request Mr. Pujit to walk us through the respective project presentation for the benefit of viewers. Can we have a PPT, please?
So we named the property as actually SPR City, in which the residential purpose is named as SPR High Living District actually. Next slide, please. Yeah. So if you look at the property, this is actually 104 acres of property in which we are developing 64 acres, where 24 acres goes for two different properties. One is called the Market of India, the largest wholesale market, and the SPR City Mall for the commercial purposes. So, and we get 40 acres land for the residential purpose, in which we develop almost 20 acres for the high living districts. That is the tower plot where we get for apartments or flats, in which we come up with 8 different towers. We name them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So if you look at the presentation, there are 3 towers which are actually fully finished, and the other glass structures which are given over there is basically face. Basically, which is finished is actually called as Tower B, and towards the left is basically called as Tower H, which is the 41st story building. As of now, this is the tallest tower in basically in South India. One of the, you can just name it as like that. So these are all the high-rise structures which our entire technology which we are using for building these towers are called as My1 technology basically. So in this civil field, this is one of the strongest technology available in these current trends actually. So if you look at this, our structure itself, in center you get an explanation area of, for the garden work actually 4.5 acres of garden space. So these actually, you can say it as the largest private garden available in the entire Chennai city actually. And if you look at the school, we are also developing a school for the education purpose also. We call it as the Sri Ram Universal School actually. It's one of a branch of Lady Sri Ram College of Commerce, which is one of famous for chartered accountancies. And if you look at the academies which you're going to get in actually, see, we are also providing you with 75 plus stunning amenities actually, so which no other integrated township which will be offering you. And if you look at the structure wise, we get a separate amenity list for the indoor purpose and the outdoor purpose also. In regarding the outdoor, we are also bringing n number of academies. For example, if you would like to become a player for the international cricket team or like football or whatever you call it, any sports you can name it as it. So we're bringing an individual academy also. For example, we will tied up with BCCI Gary Krishna Academy for football. Sorry, for cricket actually. For football, if you're looking at it, we're tied up with Chennai and FC. And for badminton, Prakash Padukone Academy from Bangalore. So we have tied up with various academies regarding sports curriculum also. It will be one of the beneficially for restricted purpose and for the schoolings also. And if you look at the bungalow part of us, which we are offering at SPR City, so this is one of the top class bungalows which are going to offer out, where you can customize your own bungalow and design your however your dream house basically you're going to look at. Because the inventory of a bungalow is very limited over here, which gives you a huge space for your open area regarding the residential purpose also. And each and every part of the residential purpose which you're buying over here is basically a protected zone, or you can say it as a pollution free zone basically, because there will be zero vehicular movement inside SPR City. Everything, whatever the vehicles are going to come inside, basically will be followed towards the underground parking system or the basement parking system, which we'll be providing even for the apartments also, or for the bungalow part also. And which as of now, we are coming up with 3 different towers which are almost ready to move in itself. Tower A is actually a 36-story building, and Tower B is also a 36-story building, and Tower H is also basically a 41-story building. So we offer a configuration of 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK actually. And the specialty in SPR City is basically the luxury product which you'll be providing you. See, basically, if you're looking at properties inside the city, basically 2 BHK would be something around 1000 square feet or 800 or 700 or 800 to 1000 square feet. But at SPR City, every 2 BHK which we are building over here is basically the size of 1400 square feet. It's almost the size of a 3 BHK. So you can imagine the space which we will provide you inside a house basically. So it's all a luxury kind of property which we'll be starting over here actually. And it's also it will be an affordable range price also. And this is like a city within a city. For example, if you're buying a property in SPR City, for your entertainment, I have given you a mall. For your purchase, I have given an entire wholesale market. And for your education, I've given you a school. For your fitness purpose, I'm going to give you an inside sports academy itself. And if you're looking at the health purpose, which is one of the very important diseases actually, we're giving you a hospital, and IT Park is also approved with us actually, and hotels are going to also come inside. So this is like a city within a city. You can just simply name it as in this format actually. Next slide, please. So this is just a brief regarding about SPR City. We can go through actually, and LIC is one of our top fund of investors in SPR City. Next. So we are also providing you with 75 plus standing amenities, which will be covering your entire end-to-end purposes of daily needs, actually, from the gym, on the swimming pool, or anything which you are going to provide with us. Because all these kind of amenities are basically which will be giving you as a free of cost. Next slide. So these are just a brief description about how our amenities are going to basically look like actually. So in this also we are providing you as then swimming pool just separately only for women actually, and separately only for men is separate, and for we also have an Olympic level swimming pool also. Which will be like for used for practices regarding the Olympics and all those kind of stuff actually. Next. So this is where our entire project, how you're going to look at the entire property in a top angle actually. If you look at the number 3, which is near the number 3, that is called the market of India actually. That is the wholesale market which I'll be providing you with. And if you look at number 4, that is the SPR City Mall actually. This is the second largest mall in South India actually, which you also want to come up actually. So in which 20 acres of land, you can see the tower number 16, which is the tower A, and number 18, which is tower B actually, and number 35 is tower H. So all these 3 numbers are basically given in phase 1, and the other towers which will be our tower 5 more towers will be coming in the phase 2 part of the property actually. And if you look at the tower, if you look at the number 5 actually, that is the school, the Sri Ram Universal School, which will be providing you with the education system inside. It's a CBSE based curriculum actually, and we are open to LKG to 7th as of now itself. Once the COVID situation panic is lifted, we can start running the school also. So it's a top end school which comes with the CBSE syllabus also. And if you look at the sports amenities, we start from the number 6 to number 13. All the sports academies are going to come up in that particular location, which you get individual sports academies, and which covers your entire part of your physical fitness and as well your health services also. And if you look at the number 2 part, it is actually coming up with the bungalow facilities. So we have 3 different types of bungalows also over here. Actually, if you're looking at individual bungalow, also sharing bungalow also, and also you get a property like if you are looking at joint families. So you can call it to bungalows, and it's a customizable bungalow also. You can design your dream home basically over here actually. So it works in such a way. So these project actually comes in between 4 roads actually. One is the Stephenson Road, and the Peramur Barracks Road, Cooks Road, and the New Farans Road. So we have a multiple entry and exit points, which gives you an easy connectivity to the city actually. So it works as integrated township where you can move freely and you can move outside. And also we also provide you a limited inventory of families over here actually, because generally builders what they do is they take up a huge space for buildings and they'll be giving you a less open space. And as per SPR City is constructed, we have given you a 60% open space and 40% a structure over here actually, which gives you a huge benefit regarding the environmental purposes also. So this is how my product is at. Thank you for the question.
Thank you so much. So let's get into some question answer. Mr. Pujit, how has COVID-19 impacted real estate construction in Chennai, and what is the present situation?
Yeah, for looking at the COVID situation, actually, we can say COVID has become a positive vibe for the construction and regarding the real estate. Even though we can say that actually, saying it, there are real estate is coming down. But if you're looking at the particular field, if you're looking at the particular time of the COVID situation, that is the time where maximum investors started to invest for a new home actually, because many people were vacating their houses, so many people wanted to buy the new houses, so they would get a free space for their own living itself. So this was a time where real estate went to a peak basically. Yes, I agree. There were little drawbacks because people were not able to come to the site and have a look at the property and that. But people were starting inquiring more and more regarding the properties, and we had a lot of closures and regarding this time only, because COVID has actually, you can say, COVID has benefited real estate basically than degrading it.
Sure. Thank you so much. How much appreciation Perambur witnessed in last 5 years?
So if you're looking at last 5 years, if you're looking at Paramore, we can say that positively regarding this particular location alone, there's an empty number of appreciation happened over here, because the price which we have launched actually, and last price which we are looking at today is basically a steep, is always a better higher increase regarding the property itself. So it is not like a small scale increase. It's a huge increase which you are looking at as of now, because during the COVID situation, our prices have been boomed up. because of the investors coming in actually. So it's almost an appreciation of approximately like 30 to 40% appreciation has happened immediately.
Sure. Thank you so much. Mr. Venkatesh, this question is for you. What all services PropTiger provides to their consumers?
PropTiger usually provides end-to-end services from from finding a home and until they get it. We provide end-to-end for them.
Thank you so much. Now I would like to request the panelists to give the closing remarks. Mr. Pujit.
Yeah, sir. Actually, if you're looking at my closing remarks, see, basically, even though it's a virtual thing, I would request the customers to come to the site and look at the property actually, because we have done a huge scale model at our site, which you'll be thrilled to look at actually. If you, for example, many customers would have gone through hotels or any kind of big kind of, let's say ITC Grand Chola or like Lee Meridian. So when you look at the interior works done in that particular location, actually, it is very mesmerizing thing kind of thing actually. So we have done a similar kind of pattern at our model houses which are run at SPR City. So once a customer comes to here and have a look at the property, he would be more interested regarding the property because of the huge site structure which we have here. So it will be a major benefit for the client also to know the n number of properties coming out here actually.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pujit. Now I would request Mr. Venkatesh to give us closing remarks.
Thank you very much, team. Thank you for all the viewers. This is the right time to invest into the real estate, it for self or for investment purpose. I wish everyone a good health and well-being for family.
Thank you. Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on social media channels. We will see you soon in the next episode of Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.